I just want to show you how to replace the handle on TBT window. So the first position is the tilt, and second position of the handle is open out. Also, the first position of the handle is the tilt position, and the second position is swinging in. So you also will see the noise difference. So what we're going to do, twisting the cover and twisting the handle. So we expose two screws. So take the handle out. Then we have a TBT handle from Rhodes. Okay, that's a TBT handle with a key. So we put the handle in the same position, turn the cover. I'm gonna reuse the same screws. Close the cover. That's a handle in the lock position. And that's the handle locked. But if we open the handle, we only can go to the first position and we can't go further up, which means the window can only open in tilt position. To comply with all the safety regulations, we have less than 125 millimeters. So a window can't be open unless we use two hands and we turn the key up into the 45 degrees, and then we turn the handle up, which allows us to swing the sash inside and have a full opening position. I'm gonna install fly spin here. This is lock. This is tilt position. Pretty good for noise reduction video.